Hey y'all, welcome back to Reptile Outdoors. Well, we're out here this evening and the rainy season has officially started. We're getting rain every single afternoon. We just had a bad one come through this afternoon. It was a pretty good one, almost like a mini hurricane. But we're out here. Most of the road's pretty flooded, so hopefully we'll still get to see something. Last time we came out, we did see a swamp snake. We also saw a glossy crayfish snake and some bandits. So the water snakes are moving finally. We haven't seen none in a while, so I'm glad they're starting to move. So hopefully we'll see some more stuff tonight. Hopefully we'll see some more glossies, maybe some more swamp snakes, maybe even a striped crayfish snake. We'll see what happens. Let's get this drive started and see what we can find, y'all. Alright y'all, we got one right here, our first one. Is it going to be a cottonmouth or a bandit? Looks like a bandit. Let's see.
What is it?
It's a bandit.
Oh, are you sure?
100%. Did you bring your flashlight?
No, I didn't. I'm sorry.
It's a bandit.
Just ran out.
Get it. His head all flattened like he's going to mess somebody
Yeah,
up.
he's getting kind of mad.
It'll be alright though. I see you. You're just watching me. This is what they do, guys. They flatten that head so it has that diamond shape so they look venomous, but that's not a venomous snake. That's just a banded water snake. That's a pretty one at that. That's a good looking banded. What's up, fella? Yeah, what's up, buddy? He's cool. Alright. Let's go across here. First snake of the night. There you go, buddy. What's up, fella? Frogs are in full force. Alright, well, you stay off the road there, big guy. Let's go see if we can see anything else. First snake of the night. Alright guys, we got one right here. That's gonna be something different. Don't spook him, babe. That's either gonna be I got a banded right here. This is gonna be
Is that a black snake?
Nope, that is a glossy crayfish. So we got a glossy crayfish right here on the road. And there goes the banded I just jumped out and got. There goes the banded. Let's keep walking here. This is a good glossy right here, y'all. That is a beautiful glossy crayfish snake. Look how pretty that thing is.
It is pretty.
I love their underbelly. That was a 2-for-1 right there. Very cool. All right, we'll let this guy go. He was going this way. All right, buddy. There he goes. All right, that's 3 snakes. Yeah, he's gone. There he is. He's right here. All right, you can get out. You get out. It's a banded.
Oh, okay.
He's right in the water. Come on, get out.
Oh, okay.
Give me your camera. Give me your flashlight. He's right here in the water, babe.
You sure it's
Yeah, it's a banded. Pretty banded too. It's a very pretty banded. sitting there in the water doing what he does. That is cool. Super cool. See, when they're in the water, you can really see those bands.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna try to grab him. Oh, no, never mind. You don't want to be grabbed. He's like, no, you ain't. It's like, no, sir, that ain't happening. There it is. No, he's gone.
Yeah, you're gonna
There you go. Yo, check this out. We got a tree frog. I gotta go ahead and turn it off, babe. Got a little tree frog that jumped right on our truck. That's not a true tree frog. It might be a squirrel frog. I'm not 100%. Can't get that close enough to see him. But that's a cool little frog right there. So awesome. 4 snakes and a tree frog of some kind. Very cool. Alright, y'all, we're back out here. It's the next night. It is extremely humid out here. So I'm hoping we're going to see some stuff. We're still a little early. We're just checking this little ditch right here, because I could have sworn I seen a small alligator when we drove by. So we're just looking for him. But hopefully we'll have something for y'all real soon. Alright, y'all, we got our first snake, and the rains are coming. Oh, there's one right here. One right here.
Oh, wow, okay.
There's a banded right here, and there's something right there. We'll watch him.
Yeah.
See what this is. This is a banded. This is a stubby tail banded. Look at him go. He's gone. That other banded there? There we go, guys. That's 2 snakes. And boy, we got some serious lightning going on. There he is. God dang it. My lens was all fogged up, so you probably didn't see any of that, y'all. There's a bandit. It's so humid out here. Here. Come here, fella. Look at that guy. That's a pretty one right there. Oh yeah. Super nice. Alright, he's coming across this way. Woo! Alright. There you go, buddy. See you later. Well, y'all, it's getting pretty nasty out here, so we're probably going to have to call it a night. We got to see those 2 right before the stuff really hit us. Well, it's yeah, it's gotten pretty nasty out here, fellas. Well, I think it's over. We then got caught in a serious storm here. Serious storm. And it's raining so bad that the road is flooding as we speak. I'm still trying to take it easy so I don't run over anything if something's on the road. But this is pretty crazy. And it came up on us quick, y'all. I mean quick. Alright, y'all. We are back out here. And as it would happen, it is raining. But hopefully it's going to be past by the time we get to where we're going. And by the time it gets to be the right time of night to be seeing some snakes. Last night we got rained out in a big way with a big storm that came by. My wife was actually scared a little bit. Well, we made through it. We got back home safely. And we're back out tonight to try it again. Well, y'all, it's coming. Hopefully it'll hold out for another 20-30 minutes, because that's all we need. We can see some snakes, but it is coming. All right, y'all, we got our first one. He's right here in the water. And he just took off. He's right there. Not sure what kind he is. I think he's a little. He's going to be. I don't think he's a banded. I think that's either going to be a swamp snake or a glossy crayfish snake. Where's he going? No, that is a little banded. That's a baby banded. I do mean a baby. Where's he going? Where'd he go this time? Oh, there he goes. He's gone. He's right there. That was a little banded. Right, so we got a big one right here, y'all. That is a huge cottonmouth. You got your light? Got your light? It's a huge cottonmouth.
What?
It's a huge cottonmouth. Just flash your light on
Oh my god.
it. That is a big one.
Damn, that's a big one.
That is a good one. That is a nice looking cottonmouth. What's up, big girl? What is up, big girl? Guys, that is a humongous cottonmouth. Just touched her, she didn't care. Yes, she did. What's up, sweet pea? What is up? Beautiful. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. No, don't stay right there, sweet pea. Such a gorgeous snake. Didn't even turn my truck off. We got out in such a hurry. You looking at her, babe?
What?
You see her?
Yeah.
She is beautiful.
He's actually calm.
Very calm. Most of them are calm for the most part. All that stuff about people saying that cottonmouths chase people, that simply isn't true. They just are not that aggressive. Now, if you're in their way, they're still going to go where they want to go. You're just in their way. Come on, sweetie. Come on, let's go. Get off the road.
There is a big hawk flying down. I think it was trying to eat the snake.
Probably. Alright, I see you, honey. Okay. I need to get you off the road, baby. You just don't want to get off the road, do you? She just does it. Come on. Come on. Stubborn snake. Stubborn. There you go. Come on. There you go. Absolute beautiful. I'm poking her and all kinds of stuff, and she don't even care. They are not that aggressive, y'all. They really are not. Well, y'all, it's pouring down rain now, but big girl done came back out on the road. So we gotta get her off. Yep, she's back out on the road. What's up, big girl? I'm getting soaked. Yeah, I know, I see ya. I'm getting soaked, baby. You need to get off the road so I can get by you. Come on. Come on, sweet pea. You're too big to hook. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I don't want to hit you. Come on. You're getting me soaking wet, baby girl. Come on. No. Come on, you gotta go. Come on. She's getting me soaked, y'all. Come on. I'm getting too close to you, trying to help you. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. You're off the road enough. All right, stay off the road. Alright, y'all. Well, that is going to be this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. It's definitely the rainy season, so we're taking a chance every time we come out here to get caught in these storms, which, again, caught in another storm. But we did see that awesome cottonmouth who came on the road twice. I am now soaking wet trying to get her off the road so she didn't get hit by me. But we've had a good past couple nights. We've seen quite a few things. Seen some cool snakes, seen some big snakes. So things are definitely turning around. Hopefully we'll find some more here going forward. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one.